Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. In this video, I want to show you guys a good baby monitor, pet monitor, or even a security camera that you could use at home. For more information, I'll leave a description down below. Mochi says hi everybody. I use the TECKIN camera to monitor my puppy. From day and night, I can watch her from anywhere, just through the TECKIN app, with a click of a button. The TECKIN camera costs only $20 American, which is relatively cheap. So I'll give you a sample of what this area looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like on the TECKIN app and the video quality. Let's have a quick look at the box. Compatible with Android and Apple devices. It works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. It says it's 1080 HD, that has night vision, cloud storage, control with the app, two-way audio, and motion detection. Comes with 1-year warranty. Quick start guide. So here are the box content: the double-sided tape, the USB cord, the power adapter, and the camera itself. With the help of this double-sided tape, you're able to mount this camera wherever you want: the wall, the ceiling, a surface that you're afraid of this camera from falling. Just simply peel the double-sided tape and mount it on the bottom of this base. And if you plan to mount this camera on the ceiling, don't expect this cable to reach because it's only 58 inches long. Now on the front of the camera, here we have a status light indicator, and the top part, this little dot, is a microphone. And we have a micro SD card slot for video storage. Reset button. This is your USB input power. And this part is for the stand. You can move it to the back if you like. This camera is very light. Doesn't weigh a lot. Turn it 360. Has a great wide motion. This is only about 4 inches tall, 2.5 inches wide, and the base is also 2.5. And the depth of this camera is about 1.25. Very small camera. Almost forgot to mention, this is the speaker. I'll show you guys how to set up this camera. It's fairly easy. First thing you want to do is download the TECKIN app and install and register. Once you have registered and installed this app, you want to click camera, add camera, and click camera again. Now it asks you to power on your camera and make sure you have Wi-Fi within range. I'm going to plug in my device. Now you can see the status light indicator. It's red. It can either be red or white. Now it says to ask you to wait for 15 seconds until the light indicator is blinking. Once it's blinking, we can press this red light flashing. Mine shows white light flashing, so I'm going to press next. So press next. Now you want to make sure you have your Wi-Fi password entered correctly. If you don't have it correctly entered, this is not going to work, and make sure you have your network is on the right one. Press next. Now place your camera about 20 centimeters. Now the camera has registered and scanned the QR code. Because of that sound, it notified me. Now I press next. Now the camera is pairing with my device. Now connection has been succeeded. Now I can just name this camera whatever I want. I can rename it or select the baby room for an example and press next. Now we can view my camera. This is what's happening going on in my washroom right now. The quality of this camera is okay. It feels like it's 1080i, not 1080p. It does the job, it's good enough. Now we are going to do night vision mode to test it out. I'm just by the washroom, going to turn off the lights and test out the night vision mode. Lights are now off. Now I'm going to close the door, it'll be pitch black. Now this is night vision mode. That's pretty decent. It's actually surprisingly pretty good for night vision. You can see the letters. Now let's turn back the lights on. Not too bad. For the price, it's pretty good. Can't really complain. There are other options on this app. You can take pictures, record videos. You can do two-way talking, but it doesn't work so well. You can talk, but you can't really hear the other person. You can turn on and off the camera. On this app, there's more camera settings like motion detection and sound detection. You can get notified when motion and sound is detected. If you guys are interested in purchasing this camera, please visit the links down below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time. Say bye, Mochi. Say bye.